employee. So there are two people, both one from commercial and one from engineering product.
It's Amulya.
Amulya is correct.
This journey of 1.5 years was one of my best days which I spent, to be honest. And I feel Palo is just like my home, and all my friends or relatives like that. So I never felt like I'm working with some other company called Palo and I have to work. I always feel this was my own company and I worked like that. So here all the Lakshmi was never like a boss. She was just like my friend or sister.
That's why she didn't scold you for all those.
Yeah, she used to never scold me and she used to help me always whenever I have doubts, everything. If I call her, she used to update me, and yeah, she was my support system in Pazo and so like whatever I am here now, it's all because of Lakshmi. To be I've learned everything from her, and Shardils are like my YouTube. The reason to start my YouTube is Shardils are to be So he made me one video in the lockdown, so that made me to I don't know. I just felt okay. No, here you can do so many things. Then I started doing I started with one video, and after that I started my own channel and all this stuff. So the main thing I have to thank you. I told her I sent me one video.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. So because of that I was inspired. Even Hassan sir also, he was very supportive, and Shardil sir he was always teasing me, and he was just like a good, he was like a friend like that. And actually it's very difficult to get a company who also supports your profession as well as passion, because my passion is acting and all. So I used to get that support from both. Like whenever I wanted to ask Goli for shows and all those things, they were never told no or something. They always said go. And Shardil sir whoever comes also will be supporting. I mean he'll be promoting my channel more than so getting that all, it's really I'm very blessed or lucky, and I'm just changing this because I don't know, only for a career change. That's all.
Video is off, you can tell. Please.
You are working.
Lead.
No, tell.
Okay, so Amulya, whatever she told, she learnt and all, there's nothing like that. She herself is a very hard-working girl. Okay, she learned everything herself. There's nothing like that. Firstly, when she came, she was very silent and all that. So we thought this girl is very silent and all of that. But seeing her experience, I mean, just the way she was working, she was very hardworking, and I didn't have to tell her anything. Just tell her the scenario or something. She used to do it all by herself. So I didn't have to tell her anything. She learned all by herself, not by me, first of all. And yeah, she's very hardworking, very sincere, never said no for anything. Even if I tell her something, never said no for anything. And when I got to know about her talents and all that, it was really surprising that she actually dances. And I also told her that, you influence me and I want my daughter also to do all this and all. So she's no words actually. It's hard to believe, but then I'm just keeping it within me, not able to tell all of that. So yeah, definitely we would want her, but since her career and all, she wants to grow, and she wants to, definitely we had different plans. She would have grown here also, but she just wants to get into some other work, so they are letting her go. So all the best, Amulya.
Jump.
No, you should say.
Okay, you are Amulya. Okay, so I think Amulya joined just before the pandemic. It was how much? 2 months before the pandemic. 1.5 months before the pandemic. But though she's a lot of people think she's very silent. Some of us knew actually she's into. Not many of you guys know this also. She's into stage plays. I mean, that's how she started her this thing, right? And once in a while she used to share her stage plays and all that stuff. And everybody who sees those videos, stage plays, they are shocked. This is Amulya. That's the first thing they ask. Like, is this Amulya? So she has a different personality in office. I don't know whether we scare her so much that she doesn't talk and all that stuff. Only when there's a trip, she gets all excited. So
she's different.
Yeah, you have to keep telling her, Amulya, there's a trip and all that stuff. So though she didn't report to me, like we used to just interact and all that stuff during lockdown. Once a while, I used to ping her and tell her because she was interested in those kind of forms, right? And I have friends who are in a similar field, so I used to share those links with her and stuff. And even during lockdown, she used to tell, I miss coming to office. I like, she's just 1 month, 1.5 months. Why does she miss office so much? I used to think, right? So, and I used to think she gets offended because I used to always comment on her. Every day, I'll walk from there to there, I'll make one comment, okay? It's like, it's become such a big habit. Now if she's not there, I'll comment on that computer. So,
Change your mind, Amulya.
yeah, so that's how I got to know her, and then I knew her passion. Then I came to know her sister is a professional dancer. She is also into dancing. There's so many things about her. She does such great video editing. It's one of the things which nobody talks about. She does such great video editing, and she's so passionate about Pazzo. It's very rare, people get so passionate about a company so fast, right? And that obviously because of the team and how we are, and those things. It obviously credit goes to all of you guys, and it was really great working with her, and for sure she had to be rewarded because one of the things she works, she doesn't make a big deal about it, she works very hard. One of the reasons why she got Employee of the Month, right? So that's something very few people do who don't tom but actually work hard. And one of the things about management is whether you make a big noise about it or you stay silent, we recognize people who are working, right? And that's where she was rewarded. It was very unfortunate, that she is leaving, and one of the best employees of Pazzo. And like when I last spoke to her, she said she just likes working because it's Pazzo. She just loves working no matter what time it is, where it is, right? And that's how it is. We'll definitely miss her, and and when she was leaving, like for the send off, you have no idea. All of you guys got involved. It was, we prepared so much, and we have not done this for anybody. The amount of work that went behind the send off and stuff. So, I'll definitely miss her. She owes me one treat, but I don't know whether she will. And I think a lot of you people know she changes 3 buses to come here. And when I asked her, do you prefer working from home? She said, no, I'll still come. Right? That is the kind of passion very few people have, right? Imagine changing 3 buses and still deciding to work from office. So that's something.
Amulya, come this side. Don't go washroom.
That's something very rare. And, I wish she changes her mind again and comes back.
Yeah, please. You can go to other development.
No, I know in 1 month she'll be like, no, I want to go back. She'll be like, she'll take my recording, hi Amulya, and she'll be like, I'll miss that face around that area. She's the first person generally who people see also. So we'll really miss you. All the best. You can always come. When there are trips, we'll call you for video editing. So we can take you as official this thing. Yeah. So we have some things, lot of things for you actually. So imagine how many people are like crazy. Then there are some standard things. All these are Pazzo's. You need a lorry to take it back home. So many more things are coming.
So, this is for you. Good luck. All the best.
No, let her go.
We'll take it.
Thank you so much.
Happy
birthday.
All the best.
All the best. All the best.
Amulya the legend.
Yellow.
ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ